Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the GPU ready. Install the latest manufacturer driver and choose a clean install to avoid conflicts. Once done, connect your monitor to the discrete GPU port so games actually use it, and confirm BIOS or laptop hybrid settings prefer the dedicated chip. Make sure Windows Power Plan is high performance and add the game under graphics settings as high performance. This ensures the system routes workload to the GPU immediately. Now move to per game configuration. You now configure both the GPU control panel and the game for peak performance. First, open the NVIDIA/AMD/Intel control panel, create a profile for the game, and force high performance or the dedicated GPU. This directs rendering to the right chip. Then, in the game, set resolution and refresh rate to match your monitor, raise texture quality before shadows, and tweak anti-aliasing. These choices affect RAM and load. Finally, enable DLSS or FSR if supported. This boosts frame rates while keeping visual quality intact. You finish by validating and tuning. Run a benchmark or play a demanding scene while monitoring FPS, GPU load, and temperatures using a tool like MSI Afterburner. Once done, compare results and tweak settings, lower a few graphics options, or enable performance features if frame rates are low. If the GPU is underused or stutters appear, reinstall drivers, confirm the game profile forces the discrete GPU, and close heavy background apps. A key troubleshooting tip: if thermal throttling shows, clean fans and set a more aggressive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.